Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bed bug control products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Interceptor All Purpose Insecticide. Formulated with 100% natural ingredients and powerful essential oils, Interceptor All Purpose Insecticide kills bedbugs on contact and is approved for use both indoors and outdoors. Unlike lots of other bedbug treatment products, this one is safe enough to use directly on bed linens and can be used as a bedbug preventative when traveling. We like that this product is pre-mixed and ready to use as soon as you buy it, which makes it an ideal choice for in-home bedbug treatment. Unlike some of the other products on this list, you don't need to worry about measuring and diluting concentrate or mixing a fresh batch every time you want to treat an area. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CXID032 Cimexa Dust Insecticide. Cimexa Insecticide Dust Insecticide is our go-to crack and crevice treatment because it's safe, highly effective, easy to use, and long-lasting. In fact, this product offers up to 10 years of protection when applied in undisturbed areas, such as wall voids. Uniquely, this product also kills bedbugs who have become resistant to other treatments, including pyrethroid-based insecticides. Made of 100% desiccated silica dust, this product kills bedbugs by clinging to their bodies and deteriorating their waxy, protective coating, eventually dehydrating them. The product can be applied as a dust formulation or mixed with water and applied as a spray. At number 3, we have the Interceptor Bed Bug Trap. The Climb Up Interceptor Bed Bug Trap is a non-toxic, easy-to-use bedbug trap that allows you to monitor bedbug populations and keep your furniture bedbug-free. Available in different sizes and shapes, these bedbug traps are made from durable plastic that's too slick for bedbugs to climb up. When bedbugs approach the bed or other furniture from the floor, they fall into the other well of these traps. This allows you to monitor bedbug infestations and use a contact insecticide to kill the bedbugs contained within the trap. The dual well design shows you which direction bedbugs are crawling, to or away from your furniture. At number 2, we have the Tempered Ready to Spray Residual. Tempered Ready to Spray is our top pick because it's easy to use, highly effective, and capable of killing bedbugs on contact in all life stages, from eggs and nymphs to adults. The spray lasts up to 6 months, which means it offers residual protection against bedbug reinfestation throughout your home. The aerosol formulation is mess-free and easy to use, and the bag-on-valve technology within the can means you can apply this spray from any angle without leaks or loss of pressure. Because this formula offers a crack and crevice injector and sprays a distance of 10 to 12 feet, it's also ideal for use in hard-to-reach areas or as a spot treatment. We recommend spraying it to the box spring, around your headboard, or the underside of any other places where people sleep. And finally, at number 1, we have the Syngenta Demand CS 32 ounces insecticide. Syngenta Demand CS is our favorite option for bedbug control in large areas. What makes this product unique is that it's approved for indoor use, and the micro-encapsulated formula features a powerful pyrethroid. This allows it to stick to the bodies of bedbugs and provide long-term protection. This product is also pet-safe when dry, as long as you use it according to label directions, so it's an excellent option for treating dog beds and other bedbug-infested pet items. It's an effective barrier treatment and can help protect beds, couches, and other sleeping areas from bedbugs. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon